Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to this video. So today I'm here to talk to you about a tiny little enzyme that is in our body cells that is actually really important. It helps to burn down fats, it helps you to provide you with energy, and if the levels of your mitochondria are actually not high, you are just experiencing weight gain and absolutely lots of fatigue. So I'm here today to talk to you about Mitolyn, which is a dietary supplement that has been helping so many people to finally achieve weight loss, which is something that we struggle with each and every day. Am I right? And by targeting your mitochondrial function, you can actually promote massive weight loss towards your bodies and finally, have your self-esteem restored, wear clothes you love, and just know that you are really healthy. So I'll be giving you all the details about Mitolyn today. Make sure you do not miss out on this. And I also left their official webpage right here below this video in the description box because I know it's really important to get Mitolyn only on their official webpage, okay? Just so you can make a safe and secure purchase. Anywho, guys, I will be mentioning everything you need to know about it, so make sure you do not go away just yet. But what people still want to know is why Mitolyn is so special. It is actually really special because Mitolyn helps you to target your mitochondrial function, which is an enzyme in our bodies that's responsible for weight loss. Now, the cool thing about how it does this is actually just by using the power of natural ingredients, which is maki berry, which is a fruit that has over 300 antioxidants in it, and it also helps you to maintain the health of your heart, and it stabilizes your cholesterol levels. Another fruit in it is also Chisandra, which is a fruit also that helps you to boost your mitochondrial function. It takes care of your liver and it provides you with better skin, rejuvenated skin. There's theobroma cacao, which is also aphrodisiac, There is just astaxanthin. There's rhodiola rosea. There's also amla, which is kind of like this Indian fruit. Some of it call it like a Indian gooseberry fruit, something like that. But all of these ingredients, 6 ingredients, help you to boost your mitochondrial function, and it does so much more than that. So with Mitolyn, you can be expecting a boost in your vision. You can be expecting a better digestive system and, of course, massive weight loss, guys. I mean, this was a supplement created specifically for people who are having such a hard time losing weight and don't know what to do anymore. This goes to show you that you don't have to be giving up on your bodies if you cannot lose weight. So Mitolyn is just a dietary supplement that is FDA approved in a GMP certified facility. It guarantees you quality, it guarantees you something that's safe and something that really does deliver what it promises, Just remember, guys, the treatment is really short. You can take it for 3 whole months or 6 whole months. I always tell people to use it for 6 months because since we all have different bodies, other people take longer to get results than others. So it gives time for your bodies to truly adapt to it. Think about that. And above it all, there's like a 90-day money-back guarantee. So if Mitolyn is not what you were expecting, you're not happy with it, just request a refund on the official webpage, okay? So pop over to this link to learn more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!